Hello guys! So today I'm gonna try Chung Chun's corn dog. So this one has sweet potato in it. See? There's sweet potato. I just burned it a little. So we'll try it without the sauce. Woo! It's still hot. Ah. Good! It has a hot dog inside. Beef. So good. So with the sausage. So good. So good. We'll try it with the sweet mayo. This sauce is so good. The sweet mayo. This is so good. It's perfect with this corn dog. One more. Oh my gosh. Teriyaki. This is good too. This is good too. Teriyaki sauce. The honey mustard. It just went on the stick. Oh no, oh no. I like this one too. A little bit sour, but it's good, really good. My favorite sauce, sweet mayo. Chung Chun's corn dog. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. See you again. Bye. Oh, good. Bye.